So we just did a kind of an extended math behind it on electric vehicles. And now we are doing a review for the quiz, which will happen at the end of the class on Tuesday. So we're going to review together on Tuesday morning, right at the beginning of the class. And then we're going to take a nice, light, easy quiz on this stuff on Tuesday. We're just doing it right away when you come back. After we've reviewed together, we're going to take the little quiz. And this is not a full test at all. This is just a quiz. It does count in the grade as a quiz. All right. So you should have find the probability of these envelopes, which would be a 1 in 3 chance of getting that one, and a 1 in 3 chance of getting that one, and a 1 in 3 chance of getting that one. And that's the probabilities. And then you times it by this amount you get. And then you add them all up. What is 100 times 1/3? It is 33.33 repeating dollars. That spot alone is worth $33. Okay, you can stop Perez. I know he was wrong, and you were wrong the other day, though. I know you're still bitter about that. So, anyways, 1/3 of 5 is 5/3. If I were gonna just think 5 times 1/3, that's 5/3. So that's the same as 1 2/3 dollars, which is 1.667. So I could round it to $1.67. Okay, so 33, 34, 35 together. This is $35 plus another $1.67, $36.67. You guys were not that far off on your gut feeling on what the fair price was. Would the casino have charged you $36.67? No, they would have charged you $40. And see, a lot of you would have been like, well, that's not a great deal. I'm skipping that. But a few poor people don't get probability at all, and they go like, $40? That's awesome, because I'm going to win $100 like every other time I try. So I want to play it all the time. And they think they have an advantage at the casino, and they don't. Then the more time you play, the more probability that the casino will end up with a large proportion of your money. Okay, so that was expected value. What else have you learned this week? Can you name any other topic we've had over the last few days? I know that can be hard. What else did we do? Do you remember what these were called? Combinations. Very good. 8C7. You may use a calculator. 8 people are 8 friends are all ready to get in the limo, and then the limo driver says, sorry, I can only take 7 of you. There's 8 people, you gotta choose out 7. I taught you how to do it before. This is the review day, so see if you remember how to do it on the calculator. I'll show you in a minute if you have forgot. Okay, here's 3 ways. If you find the math button on your calculator, underneath math and probability, there's NCR. If you type in 8 and then you get NCR on the calculator and then 7 and hit equals, it will give you the answer. What was the answer? Didn't you do it, Eddie? Seriously? All right, I'm going to pause for a second. So instead, Tyler, can you tell me, did you find that on the calculator?
Yep, I got 8.
Raise your hand if you had 8. All right, not 8 factorial, but 8. Good. Let me show you if you wanted to do it with factorials. This is faster. If you can handle it, this is the fast way. What's 8 minus 7? 1 factorial. And see, there's an extra one of these. And this means 8 times 7 times 6, over 1 factorial is just 1. And 7 factorial is 7 times 6 times . And they all cancel, so the answer is 8. See how that's faster? Okay, there is another way to do it, and that's to count up all the ways, and that's kind of a pain. All right, now I want you to try one with a P. You're on deck for this one. 8P7. This will be a very big answer because permutations means the order matters, and they're huge. Did you find it?
Yeah, 1 second.
You put 8 in first.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. NPR 7. What'd you get?
40,320.
Anybody verify 40320? Awesome. What's the difference? Order mattered. And if order matters, then every single different way to rearrange those 7 people, like where they sat in the limo, was different. If you orders arrangements were different, then it's a permutation and it's a much bigger answer. All right. Enjoy a weekend off. And we were just reviewing today for the big review will actually happen on Tuesday after the weekend. That's all I got for you for today.